Hi all, welcome to the Dragon's Cave. My name's Karen, and today I'm just doing a very... okay, the theory is simple. Just a small piece for Earth Day, which in theory is the day that this video should be going out, the 22nd of April 2026. I'm just trying to get some of the cat hair off my mat. Even getting a small amount of it off is a bonus. Right. I have got loads of small packets of various colours of foam air dry clay. So I'm just going to use this as a base. Yeah, really don't like the feel of this stuff. It works well. It'll do what I want it to do, but it doesn't feel nice. I'm going to clean away this stuff and I'll be back for the next stage. See you in a sec. Okay, next palette. I have got this, I think it's fishing twine. I want to stick it in place. I'm having a moment. I put my UV light. Right. So I'm not sure how well you can see this actually, but the theory is that I'm going to make raindrops along this wire. Okay, now that I've rescued that from the cat, I'm just going to tape that end down so it doesn't flip about. And I'm going to make like little raindrops going down this. Got two different shades of blue. And then I will be back to move on to the next one. See you in a sec. While that's curing under the big light now, I need to make a sun as well. I'm going to do a combination of orange and yellow coloured UV. Yeah, definitely not very sun looking, is it? It's gone very splatty. I'll fix it, no problem. Not quite sure how yet, but I will fix it. Alright, this should be held in place enough now for me to be able to pop it under the big UV light. And I will be back. See you very shortly. Okay, we're almost there. Now I was going to try and use some acrylic sheet, but it's far too flexible, it won't hold up, and I don't have any thicker. So I'm going to use this piece of wire, and basically all I'm going to do is glue these to it. Oh, for goodness sake, I want to get them in the right place, obviously, before I sling the glue on. Fit those like that. And what am I going to use? I'm going to use this 5-second set resin glue. Slap it into place. Just while the sun is setting. I did make a second one. I used orange glitter UV, and I really didn't like this one either. I preferred the amoeba. So I just put kind of like a doming coat on the back of the amoeba. That makes any sense. Just to give it a bit more colour. In theory, this should be set. Get more of this. I'm going to turn it over and zap it from the other side, and then I can zap that and peel that off as well. I put far too much on here, and it's way more visible than would have liked it to be, but that is not the end of the world. Right, I'm going to actually put this under the big light to make sure it's fully cured. I'll be right back. Okay, we are pretty much done. Here's my interesting amoeba-shaped sun. My lovely little raindrops. I could have made this a little higher, or made the leaves a little smaller, but it's complete. This is my little birthday piece. It's going to stay in the mould because the clay isn't dry yet. I'm just going to see if I can bring you down just so you can see. I'm not sitting on like a cat while I'm at it. So, I think I might have to change this for something smaller. I need to take that out of there for a second. Put it down a little more. Oh, look. Raindrops keep falling on my desk. Oh. Not very amusing, is it? I think that's kind of a better thing. I'm going to have to figure some way of holding this in place until the clay sets. Well, we'll get you some photos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you would. It'll never cost you anything, but it does help my channel out a lot. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. In a
quiet little corner tucked away from the light, there's a cave full of colors that glow through the night. Glitter and brushes, soft clay and lace, and the scent of sweet resin flows all through the space. In the dragon's cave where the magic flows, she dreams up the creature